Welcome to the calculations playlist. This list is not going to be for everyone. If you've been working with Excel for years, all the videos that you'll actually see in this list are going to be totally useless to you because you'll already be familiar with the calculations function. This playlist is for people who are absolutely new to Microsoft Excel and have never actually worked with the program or done a calculation before in it. So they're very, very simple videos, couple of minutes for each one, where it goes through and explains how to do addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, how to square things, or to actually use to the power of, and also brackets. So it's a very simple list, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and also a like for each of the individual videos.